Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do an unboxing of this Louis Vuitton SLG which I just got, or rather an unbagging, because it's already inside this bag and I've already seen the item in store. So if you're interested to see what I got, do stay tuned to the video. So if you're wondering why the Louis Vuitton item is in this Hold Terrain Few bag, it's because I ordered this online on the Louis Vuitton website and I decided to collect it in store. And when I went down to collect it in store, the SA told me that they ran out of Louis Vuitton paper bags. I think it's because of COVID. It could be that they did not get more supply of Louis Vuitton paper bags because, you know, the factories were all closed, or rather production was limited, or it could be that people were just shopping too much and they just ran out of bags. I don't know. So anyway, let me just show you what's inside this paper bag. So the first thing I have is of course the item here, and it also came with the receipt, and I also requested for some perfume samples from their collection. I actually wanted the California Dreams collection, the perfume, but he said they ran out, so he gave me this 2 samples of this perfume. He told me that he liked the current perfume scent that I was wearing. I usually wear my Ferragamo perfume, and he said that he gave me these samples based on what he thought I might like. So I thought that was sweet and a bit of personalization. So let's just go ahead with the unboxing, but before that, of course it comes with the receipt. And then as usual, it comes with thank you for shopping, and then it gives you information on how to exchange. For us it comes in English and French, because in Canada those are the 2 official languages. And I have my receipt. So as I mentioned, I got this online of the Louis Vuitton Canada store. So it was shipped from US as per the other items that I got, but I decided to get this sent to the boutique because I didn't really have a positive experience with my mini pochette accessoire, which I got it delivered to my place. So it's not Louis Vuitton's fault. I just felt that the UPS that they used, the courier services that they used, were just not up to par. So I decided the second one to be safe. I just got it sent to the store, and I live in Toronto, and I have a Yorkdale Mall near to where I live, and they have a Louis Vuitton boutique in there, which is within Hold Terrain Few. But yeah, so I asked to collect my item there. So this is how it came to, packed. And I think when you do it, when you collect items in store, or when you buy in store, you could get it with the ribbon. But do note that if you get it online, it does not come with a ribbon. So I'm just gonna unbox this one, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Try not to destroy the ribbon so I can reuse it. Okay, so let's see. It's really such a cute item. Okay, when I saw it in store, I was like, oh, love, love, love. Okay, so without further ado, this is the item. There we go. So I got the Rosalie coin purse in the monogram canvas with the rose ballerine lining. And isn't she gorgeous? She is so cute. She is so tiny. She fits perfectly in my hand. And yeah, so that's the back of the purse. That's the front. And it comes with a button closure here with the leather tab. I used to use my Emily wallet with the leather tab, and it was okay. It didn't get too dirty, so there is still hope for this one. And this is the inside of it. She's so lovely, isn't she? She is so beautiful. So mine is made in Spain, and let me just show you around. So it comes with a zippered compartment here for coins, which is really small, and it is pretty ironic because they call this a purse, a coin purse. So it's the Rosalie coin purse, but the compartment for the coins is so small. So I don't know how much coins I can put inside, but I don't think I want to put in so many coins because I don't want to stretch it out. And there's one gusseted compartment here, and as you can see when I open it up, there's one side pocket at the front and one side pocket at the back. Although I did notice when I was checking this in store, it looked a bit warped, but I think it's really, really brand new because I can still see a bit of there's a bit of glue like here I just wanted to show you, I didn't remove the glue, so there's a bit of like glue or glazing still coming out. So I think this is a brand new item. I don't think it's a return item. So this could just be because of it's not being stretched out by a card. I think it's just how it's slightly warped. So, but it's okay to me. I've looked over this wallet and it's fine. And there's one more pocket at the back which you can put more cards. So I've not really tested like how many cards I can put inside. I'll probably do another video on that. But look at her. She is so pretty. She is so cute. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. So this is made up of one piece of canvas. So as you can see, the LVs here are upside down, and then it continues this way. So it's one piece of canvas, and it comes with the cowhide leather inside, as per, where's the tag? Okay, here. So it comes with this tag. So it has the coated fabric and the cowhide leather lining, and it comes also with this. So it's the Rosalie in monogram and rose ballerine linings. I think if you've seen my video, my most recent wallet was not this one. It was actually the Clement's wallet, but I realized that because of the lockdown and the pandemic going on, I have not been carrying my Clement's wallet because I tend to carry my smaller crossbody bags for practical reasons. So I realized that I have always been carrying my key pouch. So this is my key pouch in Damia Azur, and she is such a cutie. She can fit a couple of cards, and then I have cash inside. So yeah, and I realized that I really like carrying a small wallet as opposed to a full-sized wallet. So I decided of instead stretching out that one, I decided to get a proper mini wallet to use, you know, currently and so on. And I think it's just so cute that, you know, it has this kind of opening, which I love. And I had the Emily wallet before, but I'm not sure whether I shared with you. I did do a wear and tear video on the Emily wallet, but after that video, I think the glazing at the side came off. I can insert photos. It came off, and I was really so upset. I didn't get it fixed because I felt that it was just going to happen again, so I sold it off to Fashionphile. Yeah, so this is kind of the wallet to replace my Emily wallet, I think. I don't know, she's so pretty. I cannot wait to use her. But what I realized with this wallet was the canvas itself. So here I have my six key holder, okay, where I have my keys and my Hello Kitty. So I realized when I got this wallet, the canvas feels slightly different. So I know that the canvases, the Louis Vuitton canvases tend to differ, but I noticed that the canvas on this key holder is much more rougher as compared to this one, and this one tends to have a smoother matte finish. So I'm not sure if I like that on this wallet, but I do enjoy this key pouch a lot, or rather this key holder a lot, because of the canvas itself. The canvas feels sturdy and feels hardy. So I'm not too sure about this canvas. I'm not sure whether it's going to hold up and so on, but we'll see. I'm just going to enjoy it. I really do like it. Yeah, so a bit more about this Rosalie coin purse. So I'm just going to give you the measurement. It measures 11 cm across, and it has a height of 8 cm and a width of 2.5 cm. So I think it's a perfect size for carrying a couple of cards and coins and cash, and I think it will fit most of your purses. I can do a what this fits in most of my bags. I don't really carry very tiny bags, so I think they should be able to fit. And yeah, so let me just show you where to locate the date code. I was just looking around for it, and the date code was actually here. It's a bit hard to show without destroying the wall. I hope you can see it. Let me try to zoom in. Probably you can't probably see it, but it's over there. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's a certain angle. Okay, so the date code, it says UB2220, which is the 22nd week of 2020. So it has a similar date code to the mini Pochette accessoire that I just got, which is the 22nd week of 2020. I think it's about 18th to 20 something May. So this is very recent. And yeah, and I actually had to stop this the Louis Vuitton Canada website, because this item was actually not available all the time. So I was stalking it, and I got the mini pochette accessoire first, and then a few days later this item was placed in cart. So I'm really thankful for that. And it also comes with all the three canvases, so which is nice. Anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I'm really just gonna see how many cards I can fit into this beautiful wallet. So if you want a video on that, I can just do one. Just let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions about anything about the content that I do and whatnot, do just leave comments below and ask questions, and I'll get right to it. And if you did like this video, do give me a thumbs up, or if you didn't like it, just give me a thumbs down. But let me just ask a favor from you. If you didn't like it, do let me know in the comments what went wrong or what I could do to improve and whatnot. Anyway, that's all I have, and I hope you guys will stay safe and take care of yourselves. So till next time, bye.